Hey guys, I'm hairstylist Bradley Leak, and this is my beautiful friend and actress Laura Marie Moore, and today we're going to share with you some fun and super easy holiday hairstyles. So if you have really thick hair, one little hair tip, I like to pull out the edges. That's going to allow a little bit of natural blend. And then we are going to clip above the ear up and pin away this middle bulkiness here. Alright, she got some her. Let's do a nice textured fishtail, shall we? And I'm just going to come in with a curling iron and refine a few of these waves here, and there you have it, a super cool undone fishtail. To create a super natural undone wave, I'm going to lift up over the part. This is going to add volume. I'm going to rock the iron back, or the hair back and forth on the iron to make it so the wave isn't too defined. I'm going to let it sit at the base and pull the ends out. This is going to make it so it's not too curly. I like to alternate the directions of the curl. That allows for a little bit more of a natural style as it Next we're going to come in and we're just going to take the edges of our braid here, and I'm going to softly tug on the edges to add a little bit more fullness and pull the braid apart. Make sure if you have layers, you don't pull too much because they will pop out, which can still be a cool vibe, but will make a little bit of a challenge as you style the look. What we can do too is if you have a little bit more of a longer fringe, or you, like me, left a little extra out, super quick and easy, you can just take that top section, give it a little twist, and pull it right back into the top of the braid. Hope you guys enjoyed our holiday hairstyles. We'll see you next time.